How I started business without investment. Want to be an entrepreneur. Flexible payment plan. Strategic location in Dubai. World class services. Networking opportunities, quick license with instant support and easy setup process. Get your business up and running in no time. Fast and easy process. Free zone of the year. Exclusive setup deals. 15. Zero investment business idea in Pakistan. Mehendi artist. Mehendi by Instagram. Makeup artist. I need not brag about it. Freelancing. Many people don't know what freelancing is here. Is a short intro. Carpenter PC. Ceramic designer. Art and craft. Photo and video editing. Social marketing. 15 zero investment business ideas in Pakistan. Phone word. Money making ideas without investment. People also ask, how can I start my own business without investment? Which business is most profitable without investment? Is it possible to start a business without money? 13 easy online business ideas with minimal or no investment needed. 13 easy online business ideas with minimal or no investment needed. Blogging minimal investment, podcasting minimal investment. How to start a business with zero investment Rova. Zero investment business opportunities. Start a drop shipping business. Create a digital product. Sell a service. Join an affiliate marketing. Top 75 profitable business ideas without investment in 2021. 99 businesses ideas. Make money from YouTube. YouTube has now become one of the most popular businesses that can be started by anyone without practically no investment presently. No investment, low investment business you can start in 2021. So data entry business is a small business you can start without investment and earn a profit. Besides, no specialized skill is required to start. Which is the best business without investment? How to start a business without investment? 50 plus online business ideas without investment. My investment ideas. 50 plus online business ideas without investment. Zero investment business. Freelance writing. If you are capable of writing articles or reports. People also search for. Zero investment business in Pakistan. Offline business without investment. Zero investment business online. Daily income business without investment. How to start a business without money. The 17 best small business ideas, no inventory required, 2021. Low investment business ideas that make money. 17 low investment business ideas that make money. Curious what a good business to start in 2021 is. What are the most successful small businesses? What are the top businesses to start? 50 home-based business ideas you can start with no money. If you are interested in starting your own business at home but don't want to put a huge investment in upfront, read on for a list of 50 home. What kind of business can I start with zero investment, Cora? Start a social media management agency. It needs no money at all to start. And when you need money for more progress, you already have that. Start a YouTube. Related searches. Part-time business without investment. Business without manpower. Zero investment business ideas.